Hello friends, welcome to our channel Educalist from India. In this lesson we are going to discuss some important questions regarding the current affairs. Let's begin with the first question. The first question is, on which day World Bicycle Day is celebrated? The answers are A. 1st June, B. 2nd June, C. 3rd June and D. 4th June. And the right answer is C. 3rd June. Okay, let's talk about the World Bicycle Day. In April 2018, the United Nations General Assembly declared June 3rd as International or World Bicycle Day. The resolution for World Bicycle Day recognizes the uniqueness, longevity and versatility of bicycle, which has been used for 2 centuries, and that it is a simple, affordable, reliable, clean and environmentally fit, sustainable means of transportation. Okay, this is all about the World Bicycle. The second question is, recently new Ebola outbreak has been detected in. We have to fill this blank. The options are A. Democratic Republic of Congo, B. Nigeria, C. Libya and D. Niger. And the right answer is Democratic Republic of Congo. Let's talk about the Ebola virus. Ebola, also known as Ebola virus disease (EVD), is a viral hemorrhagic fever of humans and other primates caused by Ebola virus. EVD in humans caused by 4 of 5 viruses of Genesis Ebola virus. The 4 are Bundibugyo virus, Sudan virus, Thai forest virus and Ebola virus, formerly known as Zaire Ebola virus. Ebo species Zaire Ebola virus is the most dangerous of the known EVD causing viruses and is responsible for the largest number of outbreaks. The 5th virus, Reston virus, is it is not thought to cause disease in humans but has caused disease in other primates. Okay, this is all about the virus. The symptoms of the Ebola are headache, red eye, systematic fever, lack of appetite, internal bleeding, muscular itches and weaknesses, joint itches, intestine or diarrhea. Okay, on the skin, rashes and bleeding, stomach pain and vomiting, chest pain, difficulty in swallowing, difficulty in breathing, sore throat, hiccoughs and pharynx and lungs. Okay, this is all about the symptoms of Ebola virus. The next question is, which of the following has developed Ultra Swachh for disinfection of unit for PPEs, electronic items and fabrics? The options are Bhabha Atomic Research Center, option B Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), option C Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO), and option D Ordnance Factory Board (OFB). Okay, this is BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, and the right answer is option C DRDO. Let's talk about the DRDO. DRDO is an agency of Government of India charged with military research and development, who has headquarters in New Delhi. Okay, it was formed in 1958 by the merger of Technical Development Establishment and the Directorate of Technical Development and Production of Indian Ordnance Factories with the Defence Science and Organization. It is under the administrative control of the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. The recent chairman of the DRDO is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. The next question is, recently who has been launched a new social distancing app named Sodar? Okay, this is Sodar or Sodar. Who has been launched this new social distancing app? The options are A. Facebook, B. Google, C. IBM and D. HTC, and the right answer is B. Google. Okay, let's talk about this app. Google developed Sodar app has been enable to all smartphone users to have a new way to let themselves know if a person is closer than the stated distance from another. Okay, this is for the social distancing app which detect any person come under the radius of your own. Okay, it uses a Android smartphone cameras to put the users of application in the center of the circle which has a radius about 2 meters or 6.5 feet. If any nearby person comes inside the circumference of the circle, the user get notified. The interface is simple and similar to the smartphone game Pokemon Go, which uses the perimeter augmented reality technology. This is some like similar like the Pokemon Go application, which is a game, and the technique or technology is used in the SODAR is perimeter augmented reality technology. The next question is, in which city in India the first isolation coach has been installed by the railways for the treatment of coronavirus patient? The options are A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Chennai and D. Kolkata, and the right answer is B. Delhi. The next question is, recently the first Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh died. What is his name? The options are A. Ajit Jogi, B. Digvijay Singh, C. Bhupesh Baghel or D. Raman Singh. And the right answer is A. Ajit Jogi. Let's talk about the Ajit Jogi. Ajit Pramod Kumar Jogi was an Indian politician who served as the first Chief Minister of the state Chhattisgarh. He was a member of Janata Congress Chhattisgarh or INC political party. Let's talk about the Chhattisgarh. The formation of Chhattisgarh was on 1st November 2000. Capital is Raipur. Largest city Raipur. Governor Anusuya Uke. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel. Legislature unicameral which has 90 plus 1 seats. Rajya Sabha has 5 seats and Lok Sabha has 11 seats. High Court is at Bilaspur. The area or the total area of the Chhattisgarh is 1,35,191 square kilometer. Area wise rank 9th. Total population 3,21,86,262. Population wise rank is 17th and the density is 240 per square kilometer. Let's talk about the next question. Which of the following ministry has launched 1 year of Modi 2.0 towards a self-reliant India? The options are A. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, B. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, C. Ministry of Finance and D. Ministry of Science and Technology. And the right answer is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Let's talk about this Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. It headquartered in Delhi. There are 412 employees according to 2016. The minister responsible for this ministry are Prakash Javadekar, which is a Minister of Information and Broadcasting. The agency executive means the Information Broadcasting Secretary is Amit Khare, which is a IAS officer. Recently, who has been launched zero contact ride? Okay, the options are A. Ola, B. Uber, C. Redbus and D. None of the above. And the right answer is B. Uber. Uber started or launched zero contact ride. Let's talk about the Uber. It get founded on March 2009. It's a transportation industry. The founders are Garrett Camp and Travis Kalanick. Headquartered in San Francisco, California, US, and area served. It served 63 countries and 785 metropolitan areas. Okay, the next question is, according to India Corruption Survey 2019, which state has been given the status of most corrupt state? The options are A. Odisha, B. West Bengal, C. Uttar Pradesh and D. Rajasthan. and the right answer is D. Rajasthan. Let's talk about the Rajasthan. Rajasthan get established in 30th March 1949. Capital city is Jaipur. Largest city Jaipur. Governor Kalraj Mishra. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot. Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot. Legislature is unicameral, which has 200 seats. Parliamentary constituency has, or the Rajya Sabha has 10 seats, while the Lok Sabha has 25 seats. Total area is 3,42,239 square kilometer. Area wise rank is first. Total population 6,85,48,437. Population wise rank is 8 and the density is 200 per square kilometer. This is all about the Rajasthan, and Rajasthan has given the status of most corrupt state. Okay. The next question is, in which city the well organized mother campaign started by the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla? Okay, well organized mother campaign. The options are A. Jaipur, B. Kota, C. Raipur and D. Jabalpur, and the right answer is B. Kota. Kota is a city or district from the Rajasthan. We already discussed about the Rajasthan. Okay, let's talk about the next question. Who has recently written a book named Behind the Mask on COVID-19? Okay, the options are A. Muhammad Abdul Manan, B. Abdul Rafiq Sheikh, C. Krishna Sopti and D. Sandeep Maheshwari, and the right answer is A. Muhammad Abdul Manan. There is one question for you guys. 5th June is celebrated as which day? The answer should be mentioned in the comment. Please give answer, and thank you for the today's lesson. Please do subscribe our channel Educalist from India. Thank you so much.